Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Count on Jess with your ACT Math Prep Question of the Day. I'm Jess, a homeschool mom of 8 with a degree in physics and a passion for making math click for every learner. I'm going to be putting out these practice questions every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So make sure that you like and subscribe so you can receive each question of the day. Practice doesn't make perfect, but it sure does make progress. Today's question of the day, let the polynomial function f and g be defined as f of x is equal to x squared plus 6x minus 2, and g of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 7. Let h of x equal f of x minus g of x. What is h of 3? And our choices are -9, 9, 14, 18, and 24. At this point, I challenge you to go ahead and pause the video and see if you can figure out the problem on your own. But if you need a little help, or maybe you're confused by these polynomial functions, they are kind of scary looking, go ahead and continue and I will break it down for you. This problem gives us three polynomial functions. You have f of x, which is equal to x squared plus 6x minus 2, g of x, which is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 7, and h of x, which is equal to f of x minus g of x. Then it asks us, what is h of 3? Well, this simply means that we'll be substituting in 3 for x in each of those polynomial functions above. Now there's two ways that you can solve this problem. You can do it first by finding what f of 3 and g of 3 is, and then subtracting f of 3 minus g of 3 to find h of 3. If you were to do this for the first function of x, in place of x, you would insert a 3, so you'd end up with 3 squared plus 6 times 3 minus 2. So 3 squared is 3 times 3, that's 9, plus 18 minus 2. And 9 plus 18 is 27. Subtract 2 and you're left with 25. So f of 3 is equal to 25. For g of 3, again, I'm going to use the g of x polynomial function, and in its place, I'm going to just substitute a 3 for x. So you have 3 squared minus, turns out to be another 3 squared, plus 7. So 9 minus 9 plus 7 is equal to 7. So now to find h of 3, I'm simply going to subtract g of 3 from f of 3. So you have 23 minus 7, and h of 3 is equal to 18. Now the other way that you can solve this is first by simplifying f of x minus g of x, and then substituting in the 3 for x. So in this case, you have h of x is equal to x squared plus 6x minus 2 minus all of g of x. And here's where you're going to need to be careful to distribute the minus sign or the negative sign. Okay, so when you do that, you're going to get x squared plus 6x minus 2 minus x squared plus 3x minus 7. And so you find that h of x is equal to 9 times x minus 9. So now you can substitute in 3, and you find that 9 times 3 minus 9 is 27 minus 9, and you come up with the same answer of 18. I hope you found this helpful for you. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and join me tomorrow for another practice problem. You can count on Jess.